Gemini friend is picking up anchor and moving on. Really want to go too. It's coming, right? Cute little playground. I still want to be sailing off though. Like, my anxiety about it's going way up. Just want to go already. Not getting any younger. I'm ready to go. That one, no. No, he's fine. Do you feel like that's it? Looks like a good one. Haven't really been able to work on the dinghy with the rain the last couple days, so we finally brought it to us out here at the boat. Storm coming. Always. Working on the dinghy repair. Round 2. Fight. Ding ding. Got the real glue this time though. That's the Hypalon glue. Yeah. 2-part. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Dinghy's not bad either. Turns out I'm brilliant for keeping all the little packets. They have saved my ass yet again. So, a couple weeks ago, I popped one of our paddle boards. And then I shoved it in that compartment that I just cleaned. And forgot which one was popped. Now I need to air both of them up and see if I can even patch the one that's popped. I even got an excuse. I just didn't want to do it that day. Pretty sure that's the poor unfortunate soul that I messed up. We'll see. Also, that little guy, most anything ever, sticks right to the window, doesn't go nowhere. So far, this one seems to be fine. Next. I'm glad I wasn't the other one though, because it's my newest one. This one's the original one that we had, so it's like a couple years old. That other one I got last year. Thomas is brilliant. I broke the pump to the paddleboard. And put a hose clamp on there so it can't blow off the thing again.
Hey, Mama, can I get milk?
Starting to build pressure, so that's a good sign. Way better than I was expecting. I was kind of expecting a seam to be the problem. Way easier to fix this one. So we're doing another new thing now. We left the putt-putt at the property. We're gonna start kayaking to and from the catamaran. The real sailor way.
Still a 10-year plan.
Listen, I'm having fun with life. Tom and the youngest went to go get the catamaran, and I've been getting everything ready for them to come get me. They're almost there. We're right on the other side of that boat. That kind of see her back there. Guess I left my paddleboard out. He has to clean up the boat before he can come get me. So next we're gonna sell the 16-foot aluminum putt-putt with a 60 horsepower Yamaha on the back. And then the truck. Yep. Getting serious about the sailing life. I keep watching all these other sailboats leave, and I'm like, I'm getting the stress, man. I want to go. I need to go. I need a water maker first, I guess, though, so that's fine. So he's gonna come all the way around down over here to me. I just think it's so cool that we own a fucking sailboat. Like, every time I look at that thing, I'm like, I can't believe it. Now I just gotta go. Just gotta start traveling and going. It's right there. So close. We're getting there. No, you're doing fine. She's doing good. I can just tie her to this tree right here until we get our stuff on it. Ta-da! We are on our way. Got Tom and Jared kayaking back. Tom took an extra kayak to go get Jared from work.
My way a little bit.
I'm not right on the edge. Look how much room I got.
Oh, right here. Right. Take a measure. Just jump in. 5 inches from the edge. Where are you? Here's something.
No. I'm 3 1/4.
Oh, my way. Okay. What are you?
4 1/2. 4 5/8.
Make it 4.
Look over here. Got no light, essay. There you go. It's about 4.
I'm 4 1/4, so it's 1/8 my way. Alright, that's it. So,
Look over here. There we go. Put a track on there. Working on it. Big new cover on top.
would you think if it were like this, and we had right there on 4 1/8, you should be 4 1/8.
Darn close.
Okay. Look good, same spot. Good, same spot. Snap it. Okay, then pick it up and blow it out. We're gonna have to fall back and seal these, so we'll have to pull them over and seal. Okay, we're gonna tack it down and get everything laid out. Mom, that's
It's always sad when you drop them off, though. Now you gotta take back the empty kayak all by your fucking self. It's just the way it is sometimes. Mom life, right? Feel an organizing session coming on. So, we've been scraping the bottom of the boat again. Always cleaning the bottom of the boat. We filled up the water tanks this morning, so that was nice. I got water again. And took a break to make some lunch. Nice bologna sandwich, carrier. And gonna get back to the scraping, I guess. Almost done. I mean, even if you're fucking up, you look good doing it.
oh, the machine, I got it.
Oh, my messed up foot. That's what you get when you kick barnacles, though, okay? Yep. Tom is making a cover for the cockpit, actually, out there. So that'd be pretty cool what he's done. He's been using his sewing machine and ironing and just working away at it. Vanilla in the morning.
chocolate in the evening. No sweet tooth.
I think that'll work if I
Boy, not keeping up this morning.
I pointed out a sailing class with little dinghies out there on the water. Tom slows down on top of the bridge to look at the dinghy sail.
They're really cool.
When you're boat people, I guess. Stop at what? Yeah, we gotta load our supplies. We went on a supply run. Brought an extra kayak.
Okay.
You know? The spline started pulling out of the screens. So Mr. Hefner here is making them beautiful again. Keeping the boat bug free. A no-itch zone, if you will. We totally lost the kayak, did a rescue mission and nobody reported it.
I'll tell you.
Because diesel's better than gas. Mine. It's like a crazy rip current. It like gets really bad right here and it's just ripping out that way. Set anchor in water shallow enough to walk in. Just holding the boat, you know. Nothing crazy. Happy Friday. A little close to land on this side. Just want to make sure this wake don't dig a tune right into the ground. Oh, she should be fine. Get you a little bit of that Gemini slap. You get used to it. Don't let me bust nobody's balls.